Once the settings are all provisioned as required by your procedure, you can save the load. Simply select the Save Load button. Under the Start link, a window will open showing the test you have just configured. The folder path is displayed where the test is to be saved. At this point, you may wish to add the test to favorites for easy access to the configuration for future testing using the same setup. You may also access all other Ethernet tests you have previously saved. For example, EtherBERT, RFC2544, EtherSAM, etc. To reuse, from the Test Configurator screen, click the Save Load button. Click on the desired test to reuse. Highlight the test you wish to reuse. It will be displayed as an available test. Next, select Load. Once you see the confirmation that the loading operation has completed successfully, select OK and close. Your previously configured test is now ready to start.